The Karabiner Modell 1931, K31/Car31/MQ31, is a magazine-fed, straight-pull bolt-action rifle. It was the standard-issue rifle of the Swiss Armed Forces from June 16, 1933 until 1958, though examples remained in service into the 1970s. It has a 6-round removable magazine and is chambered for the 7.5 by 55 mm Swiss Gewehrpatrone 1911 or GP11, a cartridge with ballistic qualities similar to the 762 by 51 mm NATO or 308 Winchester cartridge. Each rifle included a 6-round detachable box magazine with matching stamped serial number. A stripper clip can be used to load the magazine from the top of the receiver. The Karabiner Modell 1931 replaced both the Model 1911 rifle and carbine and was gradually replaced by the GW57 from 1958 onwards. Although the K31 is a straight-pull carbine broadly based on previous Swiss Schmidt-Rubin service rifles and carbines, the K31 was not designed by Colonel Rudolf Schmidt, as he was not alive in 1931 to do so. Mechanical engineer Eduard Rubin was the designer of the 7.5 by 55 mm Swiss ammunition. Previous Swiss service rifles and the K31 are chambered for. The Karabiner Modell 31 was a new design by the Eidgenössische Waffenfabrik in Bern, Switzerland. The first 200 K31/Car31 were made in May 1931 for troop trials, serials 500,001 to 500,200, thus the model number of 1931. 100 standard examples were supplied in 1930s to equip the elite Swiss Guard, Päpstliche Schweizer Guard. Military production finished in 1958 after more than 500,000 had been made in the Bern factory. 582230 were made. Designed by Colonel Johann Adolf Furr KJ.